So finally, this is the last lab of this entire module. Make sure you have completed all one by one, and then only you are here. So after this module will be completed and we'll be able to get the badge. So just open it, close existing video, come to the challenge page and just launch it. It's very easy and simple module. You have to just follow it. One more important thing, if you're new to the channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now here we have to activate the agent force. How we'll do? You have to click on it. Now here we have to update the agent type also. So from here just select this. I think here we have to complete using general agent. So let's see what the lab says. So finally the agent is now ready. Now let's come to the instruction page and just select it. So this is also done. Now the first thing, make sure to just copy it carefully, paste on the prompt region, hit enter. So it's taking some time, wait for it. Once it is completed, you can clearly see here that we have got this. So click on it and here you can see status is showing confirmed. Now what we have to do, we have to cancel it. So just hit it and now you'll see the status will be updated to cancelled from confirmed. You can see status has been changed. Now once the status has been changed, now we'll have to rebook the ticket. First we'll find it and then we'll rebook it. So just paste the prompt another. So finally here this is available sheet. Now we have to book it. So just book. Now you'll see a different ticket number has been generated and there a new data will be shown. If you click on the ticket number, you can see here that this is the amount and status is confirmed. Now come over here and simply check the points. So this is how we completed this entire module. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. First of all, start from the first module and then complete till the end. And one more important thing, do like the video, do share the channel, do hype the video, and thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Now wait for this to get completed. So finally the badge is successfully completed. Now we are done with this module. And if you want to complete about arcade challenge, you can always check the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.